Welcome to Mazda Connect, our name for the multimedia system in your Mazda. If your Mazda has this screen, then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll be showing you how to set a destination, how to set your home, and how to add your current or local destination to your favorites. To set a destination, first press the Nav button next to your multimedia commander. Alternatively, using your multimedia commander, you can select navigation from the home screen. Then select New Destination, followed by Find Address. Enter the town, postcode or street name of your desired destination, and once entered, select Navigate to Destination. Your route is calculated. Select Navigate to Destination once more to confirm. Then press Start using your multimedia commander to commence. To customize your route, select Route from the main map screen. You will then have a list of options to choose from. You'll be able to avoid motorways and toll roads, or find an alternative route that's fast, short, economical, or easy. To set your home, first press the star button next to your multimedia commander. Move the multimedia commander to the right hand side of the screen, select Home, and enter your address. Then select Navigate to Destination and click Select as Home. The system will now confirm that your destination has been set as home. To add your current location as a favorite, move the multimedia commander to the right hand side of the screen to select Add or Edit Favorites. Either select Add Current Location to append your favorites list, or use the star button next to the multimedia commander.